Hello, guys. This is Paul McMillan II. Welcome to another live New York session. So it is August 29th of 2025. Before we get started, let's check on the news here. So it looks like we don't have any news today. Let's see. So there was news on the cab. Well, take that back to what news at 8:30. So we passed that. It's 9:08 now. So we're going to be trading up EU today. We're going to be doing CFD for a Forex pair. Just to let you guys know, good profit on GC today. So my count is up. It's about 50,676. Made about $194 in GC. So this is gold futures. This is the mini. So that's just FYI. So now we're going to be trading in yield. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually mark up liquidity. So you can see that there was liquidity like that here for this bid. Then it's going to mark up liquidity here. And then there's liquidity right up in this area as well. This is sell side liquidity on the 4 hour, and this is buy side. Right? So that's all we're going to mark up on the 4 hour. Now let's go to the 1 hour here. And so we're going to zoom in. Now we're actually looking for internal liquidity, which we actually see that here. Price wiped out this previous high here. So you can say that this is internal on the buy side. This is the 1 hour. And then we had price wipe out this previous swing here. Well, we can say that there's actually liquidity right now in this area here. Price actually wiped it out here, so we just knock it up right here. There's a lot of rigs. We're going to turn on the range liquidity on the asset side for the 1 hour. Okay. So now, matter of fact, well, we'll just erase this. You see it turn up, it's done up here. Now, if I go back to the 4 hour, I'm going to make some adjustments. I'm going to put it's turning back. Then we go back to the 1 hour. There we go. That's kind of more like it. Now what we're going to do is get down to turn on the indicator here. So the next thing you want to do is to see the overall bearish or bullish. You can see the order block is 21% bearish. We also have this is a higher high and a lower high overall, right? So we have liquidity up here, probably swap out liquidity up there. And it create a fair value gap traded into that. And it looks like it created a lot of fair value gaps and traded into here as well. So we all know that price trades internally into from external to internal. Now we have a charge level here. but we're gonna mark that. So what we're looking for is, let's mark this up. So this is really gonna be the 1 hour pullback here. I'm just gonna put that there. Now if I go to the 15 minute, you'd be like a trout speeder, but I'm just gonna keep it back there. So what we have here is, see, we have a liquidity rate here. The rate of this low. Now we have the rejection candle. So we would want to see a confirmation candle to be at and then close the ball and then take it back. That's what we want to see. If you got liquidity here, liquidity up here. So let me pause the support might be back. So again, we have a sweep, and then it looks like we are having a rejection candle. So the next thing you want to do is, and it's going to take an hour. So basically at 10:15, which is actually good. At 10:15, this is when we want to see a fair value gap form. Then perform, and then wait for a close of that fair value gap. Now, we have the same thing on a higher time frame. We have a grade rejection candle, so that's good. Let's see what the 15 minute is saying. Okay, so we got a grade here. Rejection candle. Now it's a possibility. I'll pause this recording to see where we're at. We can get a fair value gap in the 15 minute and then close above it. We may take another 15 minute. But the 1 hour is probably going to be a better option. So what I'm going to do is just pause this recording. Now, once we get to 10:15, we'll see if we lock in the fair value gap. And then after that, if we can get in on the 15 minute, maybe, then that'll be it. But we'll probably try to do it on the 1 hour. The reason why I want to do the 15 minute, switch over to the 15 minute, is because this is Friday and the market closed. The market slowed down a lot earlier. So let's see. So the 15, let's see what it says. Okay, so we have a liquidity wave here that falls cold above the chops. We had a rejection there that rejected that, and then rejected that. So if we can get a fair value gap to form, that'll be good because then we can get another close of that, especially if it closes above this chops level. I'm going to actually mark this. It's a 15-minute chop. So we're forming a fair value gap here. Looks like we're getting some volume. So I would like to, the 9:30 candle, we'll see if this candle closes above the tops and then goes up. See if we get some strength. We might be able to take that, or we might wait until 9:45. But we'll see. So maybe what I'm looking for. And then we get quits. We could probably put that together. and then I would target. I would say you probably tax this if you have long bears. So but we're gonna wait, see what happens. We'll probably wait, probably wait until 9:45. So you'll see. It looks like we have a fair value gap forming. I'm probably going to wait until 9:45. So we got a little bit over 6 minutes. I'm sorry, we got a little bit over 6 minutes before 9:30 closes, but I'm probably going to wait until 9:45. So stay tuned. Oh, so we got a little bit over a minute before 9:30 for the market officially opens. We do have a confirmation bar on Gilly's indicator as well. Maybe this is saying the price is going to go up to here, but not disappear. So, but this candle closes above here, give us some strength. But I might wait for the 9:45 candle to broke above these tops. That's probably what I'm going to be looking for. So you'll see what happens with that. We got a little bit over 20 seconds. So the market is officially open. You see, notice we didn't close above within the strength. So again, let's see. Yeah. So again, it's good that we didn't check in yet. So yeah, it's good we did not jump in yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'll pause the security. You got a tops level here. It's like parts is breaking past that. And then again, price is overall bearish. So, but bigger parts is testing this area and then probably go up. But we have a 3-bar pattern here. We have the ready here, rejection candle, rejection, and it looks like price is rejecting this as well. So this is probably a good third back here. So I think stop the loss. So, yep, big rejection there. That's a huge institutional rejection. And so that's what it's looking like here. So then I'm waiting until the 945 candle to close above here. If it closes above here, if this forms a fair value gap, and then 945 closes above, it gives some strength in the value gap. But we have about a little bit over 12 minutes before the 945 candle closes. So stay tuned. Like we had a final sweep rejection here. That's what it's looking like. It's a big wick. That's what it's looking like. So we'll see if that fair value gap can close above these chops and give some strength. And if so, we'll jump in. And we'll see if the 945 candle. We have less than 4 minutes. Got a minute here. This might be some volume accumulating. So we'll see if we get some strength to close above his chops. Now, one of the things I'm kind of thinking too is maybe giving more the price and validates this fair value gap. Well, but we'll see. The fair value gap is forming. 3, 2, 1. Didn't close with no strength, but so I'm going to wait until the 10 o'clock candle, because what I want to see is I want to see if it breaks above, or if it invalidates the fair value gap. If so, then we know that it's going to probably go all the way up until this point. So that's what I really want to see. Yeah, that's what I really want to see. Let's give it another 15 minutes. I'll be right back. But we had another rejection here. Looks like it's pushing past this fair value gap. So if you close above this, get some strength, and we'll get in. And we got a little bit over 2 minutes. Once we get to about a minute, then I'll report it and see what happens. We got a minute left. Looks like it's trying to invalidate this fair value gap. So we'll see if we close above with strength. If we don't, then we'll wait till the 10-15 candle. So we'll see. We closed above six strengths. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in. We'll execute the trade. So it looks like price invalidated this fair value gap. I executed my trade on that trade locked it. So we'll see how this trade goes. We end up in profit. I will resume this report. I'll be right back. So far, we're looking good. There's strong fair value gap here. A lot of volume. We'll see at 10-15 does. We got about a minute left. We got a big fair value gap. We'll see if close price, I mean, we'll see if the next chemical close this day. Less than a minute. My euro affects economies almost that can be need to make $15 to sell it. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see if we go further. Excuse me. Three, two, one. So we close double some strength here. You see that here. And we move this up to here. And then a hold some there. If anything good. So we end up getting into some more profit than what we see this report. I'll be right back. You can see I'm getting close to getting my hero effects account back into the green as I started with $2,500. But that's the beauty of steady this thing that I really follow steady. That's just it. Wow. Go back to the main screen here. It looks like passes routing up. If I get into at least 40 to $50 in profit, I'll be used. I'll be like that. Here's a quick note. Notice that you are in $35 profit. Okay. So if you maintain that every day in this account, you will be firing DoorDash. So let's do the math. So let's say just $36 a day, you times that by 5 days, so you do that every day, times that by 4 days, that's $720. So you're basically replacing income you're making DoorDash. $35 a day, times that by 3 weeks, times that by 4 weeks, you know, you would be close to your target. So even if you did that, you're still close enough. Or if you did $35 times that by 4 days, times that by 4 weeks, you can make it bridge. You still have some little exceptions left. So that's just FYI and just how powerful this is. So that's just FYI. But let me go back to the main screen and see where we're at. It looks like prices pushing up. It's still bouncing around, but we're still at about $33.7. So let me use our profit support and that back. Okay, so we got a little bit over a minute left. So we'll see if we close with some more strength. If not, then I'll close it because we pretty much got the account back into the game fully. And then if we end up going a lot fuller, then I tell them to stop it out so that way we can close with some profit. So we got less than a minute now. So we closed some strength here. This is good, so we'll move this up to here. Okay. Once we get a little bit more profit, it's going to turn the stop loss. It might come down and validate the fair value gap here and back. Looks like we're about to hit the TP. Oh, we're going up now. This is good. So let me go ahead and edit this here. Now we're trailing our stop loss very close here. Let's see. So we made $50 in profit. So we're about 2,516. So that's good. So I'm probably going to go ahead and close this trade because I see a liquidity rate. So you're out. So there we go. You did very, very good on this trade. So let me go ahead and document the results real quick. Hold on. Let me go ahead and share the results with you guys. And then we go over this trade and then we'll wrap it up for today. So as you can see, we made $49.28. So we put our account back into the green because we started at 2,500. So now we're at 2,509. So we're $9 in profit. Okay. So we did that. But in the trade itself, we made $49.28. Okay. So that's progress. Now for this week, $52.42. But that's not bad. So again, if we can make this every day, we'll do the math. So let's say $49. Times that by 3 days, times that by 4 weeks. That's replacing my DoorDash income. We would do $49 in 3 days a week, 11.5. So that's just a little FYI. So now let's go back to chart. So because we identified the 3-bar pattern, we have liquidity rate here, and then a rejection candle, and then a rejection here. Price shot up very, very high. We got in on this close here. They validated the fair value gap. And price ended up going all the way up to this liquidity, farther than we thought. So this was, so we got in on about say, right here. And I think we got in right here, so we caught about, let's say 23 pips. I can calculate how many pips that was. But we go all the way up to here, but that's a lot. So you did good on this trade pass. You did excellent. So that's it for this trading session. See you guys Monday. Bye.